Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Banyula Firdaus, and today I would like to present my thesis defense. The title is Optimizing Digital Strategies in the Domestic Tourism Industry, the Influence of Social Media Marketing and e-com on Repurchase Intention of OpenTrip Tour Package. Background: domestic tourist trip reached 1.02 billion based on BPS 2024. Tourism is a key driver of service economy and employment. OpenTrip is flexible, affordable, and community-based. Social media, especially Instagram, is the main promotion platform for OpenTrip. Online reputation strongly influence travel decision, and social media enhance emotional connection between destination and tourists. For the previous studies, social media marketing and e-com significantly impact repurchase intention through digital interaction, and repurchase intention refer to consumers' tendency to repurchase a product or service from the same provider, reflecting long-term loyalty and the effectiveness of the service and retaining consumer. Behavioral shift after pandemic have accelerated digital adoption in tourism, and digital platform effectively shape perception and drive buying intent. For the research question, first, does e-com positively influence consumer brand engagement? Second, does e-com positively influence brand engagement? Three, the social media marketing positively influence brand engagement? And four, does social media marketing positively influence trust? Five, does consumer brand engagement positively influence the purchase intention? Six, does brand image positively influence the purchase intention? And the last, seven, does trust positively influence the purchase intention? And the research objective is for answering all the research question. And for the research contribution, the theoretical contribution is for enrich the literature on digital marketing and consumer behavior on domestic tourism. It explored the influence of e-com and social media marketing on consumer brand engagement, brand image, trust, and purchase intention. And practical contribution provide insight for OpenTrip provider to optimize the strategies. It guides the use of social media and e-com to increase repurchase intention, repurchase intention in the post-pandemic era. For the theoretical framework, H1 e-com to consumer brand engagement, H2 e-com to brand engagement, H3 social media marketing to brand engagement, H4 social media marketing to trust, H5 consumer brand engagement to repurchase intention, H6 brand image to repurchase intention, and H7 trust to repurchase intention. For the variable theory, first e-com informal digital communication with the strong influence on purchase decision due to perceived authenticity and credibility. And social media marketing strategy based on content interaction and recommendation via digital platform. Consumer brand engagement, consumer interaction with brands involve cognitive, emotional, and behavioral aspect. And brand image perception is formed from consumer experience and brand association. Trust, confident that brand will meet expectation. Repurchase intention, describe the consumer's tendency to repurchase product or service from the same provider. And for variable relationships, e-com to consumer brand engagement, positive e-com drive consumer cognitive and emotional engagement. E-com to brand image, user review, share public perception of brand image. Social media marketing to brand image, engaging social media content from positive brand image. Social media marketing to trust, authentic, transparent, and content builds consumers' trust. Consumer brand engagement to purchase intention, consumer who are emotionally and actively engaged with brand tend to be more loyal and have higher repurchase intention. Brand image to repurchase intention. Brand image mediates the relationships between service quality and consumer loyalty. And 7, to repurchase intention, trust built through positive experience and perceived product value, reinforcing long-term loyalty. And the hypothesis, H1, Ewon positively influence consumer brand engagement. H2, Ewon positively influence brand image. H3, social media marketing positively influence the brand image. H4, social media marketing positively influence trust. H5, consumer media engagement positively influence purchase intention. H6, brand image positively influence purchase intentions. H7, trust positively influence the purchase intention. For the research methodology, research type is quantitative research with the collection with Likert scale 1 to 6, non-neutral option, population and sample, social media user who have seen open promotion with the sample 357 respondent selected via convenience sampling, and for the time and location from January until July 2025, conduct online through Microsoft Form and targeting Indonesian media user. And for the data analysis for validity test IFA, loading factor not more than 0.40 for reliability test convert alpha, not no more than 0.60, and model fit and hypothesis test CFA with fit indicator. And for the respondent profile, the survey involved 357 respondents dominated by females and individuals aged 20 to 27. Most of respondents had a high school bachelor's degree education, were employed and unmarried. This data indicates that OpenTrip is favored by productive young adults who are active on social media and open to new travel experience. And for validity test, is proceed used to ensure that the measurement instrument employed in a study, such as a questionnaire or test accuracy measures, intent variable, and explanatory factor analysis, or IFA, a statistical method used to identify the factor structure of observed variable and to ensure that the indicators effectively represent the theoretical concept of investigated. And for reliability testing is a method used to evaluate the extent to which a measurement instrument produces consistent and stable result. This test aims to ensure the instrument yields similar when applied repeatedly under the similar condition. And for the reliability is often assessed using Converge alpha with the following criteria. First, if Kornberg alpha value is greater than 6060, the instrument considered reliable. If the Kornberg alpha value is less than 0.60, the instrument is considered not reliable. For the goodness of it is a statistical technique used to evaluate how well mathematical model fits the data obtained from observation. One example of the goodness of it index, which measure the proportion with variance in the sample covariance matrix to indicate the degree of fit between the model and the data. And this test plays an important role in assessing whether the proposed statistical model appropriate, relevant, and capable of effective representing the observed data. And for the result structure equation model analysis, the CFA is a statistic model used to evaluate the fit between previously formulated theoretical model and the empirical data collected in the study. For the hypothesis testing, a statistical model used to assess the validity of a statement assumption based on sample data. The process begins by formulating two statements. The null hypothesis H0, which state that there is no difference or effect, and the alternative hypothesis H1, which assert there is a significant difference or effect. For the conclusion, EOM influence the consumer brand engagement, and the e-com influence the brand image, then social media marketing influence the brand image. And next, social media marketing influence the trust, and consumer brand engagement influence the repurchase intention, and the brand image influence the repurchase intention, and the trust affect the repurchase intention. And for the research implication and limitation, the study offer theoretical contribution by enhancing the understand of how e-com and social media marketing influence the purchase intention through mediator roles of brand image, consumer brand engagement, and trust. And for the research limitation, the study several limitations which we consider interpreting the result. And for the research recommendation, for the theoretical recommendation, the study suggests the development of more comprehensive theoretical model by incorporating adding variables and mediate or moderate the relationship between e-com, social media marketing, and repurchase intention, such as a satisfaction, perceived risk, and consumer experience. And for the practical recommendation, practically OpenTrip service provider need to be more proactive in managing digital content, especially customer reviews and social media interaction to strengthen engagement, brand image, and trust. So that's all of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.